Okay. So right now, we are so close. We're almost at the top right now. And I'm dying. Okay. We're climbing up Santan Mountain with Roman here. What should I say? I don't even know what to say.
Hey guys, it's a beautiful morning. We're out here.
Hello guys, it's a beautiful morning here at the Santan Mountain. Today we are going to climb a mountain thing. We're gonna climb some stuff with Roman. Three, two, one.
Look at that cactus.
Where? Alright guys, what is up guys? Today we are at the Santan Mountain and we are going to be climbing to the top, but before we do, I need everyone to hit the like button right now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the like button right now.
Have a good night.
Or not you two, you're on a bike. My bad. Dang it, I embarrassed myself. Wait! After several hours of hiking, we were finally getting close to reaching the top of the mountain. On the way, we had some minor setbacks, but we were almost there. Okay. So right now, we are so close. We're almost at the top right now. And I'm dying. We made it. Guys, we made it! Yeah! I don't know what to do, but we made it to the very top. Look at this awesome view right now. Yeah. Guys, I'm about to jump off the cliff in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, wait! Hit the like button right now in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit that like button right now. I'm about to jump off this cliff. Ah! Wow, what a beautiful view.
You know what it kind of reminds me of?
What?
That time that I just like socked that baby in the face.
Wait.
Dude.